to just deliver the corner. Police again, Bedia Kamba. Seposhia referee awards Police Football Club a penalty. Innocent Engedo, who has been brought all down into the box area. Bedia Kamba. And Bedia Kamba, another good save from the goalkeeper. Diving the right hand side. Just kicking it out. Chibiri Gemeti. Mayanja trying to go in for the second ball. It's cleared. Keep at that clean sheet. Keeper diving the right way. Medi Chibirike. And the Uganda Cup best goalkeeper this year denies Bedia Kamba a chance to score in this FUFA Super 8